Welcome back, guys. Here we are at the 5-month mark of our ceramic sprays and sealants longevity test, and usually around the 6-month mark is when we see a lot more of these start to have their hydrophobics taper off, but as you'll see this month, many are on their way there. So as usual, we will foam everything down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. This hood sits outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the East Texas elements, and it's washed and rotated once a month until the last one fails. As always, these videos remain unsponsored and free of bias to find out the best product out there without any outside influences. So if you like these type of videos, consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing, and of course, comment down below if you've used any of these products and how they're performing for you. As always, if you would like to support the channel, ways to do so are on your screen here, and the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen so far, is on your screen. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. First up, we have Sonax Ceramic Spray. Looks like the hydrophobics are starting to taper off on that one a little bit. But considering we're going on nearly half a year, still doing pretty good. Griots, still doing a little bit stronger. And in my experience, it looks like somewhere around the 8 to 12 month mark is when that starts to taper off. New Finish Graphene doing exceptional. You can buy that at Walmart. Adams Advanced Spray, not quite as hydrophobic. Pretty typical for this product around this time. And Wolfgang Uber, starting to look a little tired, but still doing all right. White Diamond Graphene, still hanging in there. McKee's Hydro Graphene. It is not to where we would call it failed, but it is getting very close. Rain-X Graphene, that's another product I picked up at Walmart. It's starting to look pretty weak as well. Not failed, but very weak. And 303 Graphene, it's really close to failed. I don't know, would you call that failed? If that was on your vehicle and it was performing like that, I'd probably call that failed. There's still a little hanging in there, but Avalon King Boost, that is the first version of it. Flit Ceramic Spray, man, it's sort of in the same boat as 303 there, maybe just a little bit better, but I don't know. What do you think? I think I'd call that one failed too. Jesscar Ceramic Spray, McKee's 365, all kinds of failures. Soft 99 Trees, that's a 3-month coating and spray, and it's still doing all right. TIC System Quartz Max, hanging in there. 3D Ceramic Touch, nearly failed. G-Technic Marine, that's rated as 6 months, so it's pretty close. And then Geon Can Coat Evo, looking fantastic. Glossit Ceramic Detail Spray, that's another one. Man, so we've got quite a few this month. Some of these are barely holding on, but I think for the purposes of consistency, this month we're going to call McKee's 37, 365, Flitz, 303 Graphene, Jesscar, and Glossit Ceramic Detail Spray, all is failed. Rain-X is really close. Flitz, yeah, Flitz has failed. But see, there's just a little bit hanging on. I hate this point where you have to be the judge of what's failed and what's not, because some of them may be almost failed, but I'm the guy that's going to call it failed, so there we are. If they're not failed this month, they're definitely going to be failed next month at that point. G-Technic Marine, 3D Ceramic Touch, some of those are right behind it. So yeah, it's a tough call this month, but we could call them 5 to 6 months at that point. So there you go, guys. There's your update. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you soon.